Brighten up, your SleepX mattress has arrived. Yep, it's in this box. But wait, don't drag that along. Inside that box is this duffel bag, which later can be used to store your gym utilities, vacation supplies, or maybe even your eggs.
Really?
Anyway, your all-new mattress is in it. Carry it to your bed and start unzipping. No, the duffel bag, silly. Pull the roll out and let's get ripping. With the SleepX safety cutter. Cut the sleeve and rip it apart. Slit the tape that binds the roll. Watch it unroll on your bed. Then cut the airtight plastic by the side edge. Remove the plastic, whatever's left of it, and done. Now just sit back, read a book, and in a few hours, your brand new SleepX mattress will be all puffed up and ready for you to crash on.